Lydia, you just gotta go.
Are you have your pan? Are you wood something? Yeah, I'm not gonna throw it in here.
Where? Chuck it up here.
Are you videoing?
Yes.
Come on, Lid.
Come on, don't be a girl.
You are a girl.
She is a girl. That's not the point at all.
Sure it is.
Courtney, will you stay out there and touch me? Yeah. Can you hold on?
Go.
Not after I squirt. Oh, okay. Well, hold on fire.
So who's the brave soul going next?
I offered to go next.
I'm not going.
I'll go next. Go, Lid.
One hand with the camera, with the other on the
Lydia,
rope.
Lydia.
No.
Lydia. Come on.
Go, Lid. Go, Lid.
If you go off the second one,
I'm not going up the second one.
No, I don't even want to go off the first one. I've had it myself.
Just go. You're good.
Do a battle scream. Give her hell.
It can't. It has to be a real scream if you're gonna scream.
Go, Lid.
No pain, no gain.
hurry, I lost the two.
Go.
Someone's gonna go up there and push you.
Okay. Count of three. On a count of three. Come on,
If you don't go on three, I'll come up and push you off.
Go.
Put your other hand up farther. 3. No, I don't fall off. I just kind of skim the water a little bit.
Go, Lydia. Go.